welcome back everybody to the Train Expert channel. We got some locomotives. It's over at that GE Transportation. And then there's a UP, there's a CSX, there's a UP, and there's an FLX. Whatever it is, of the locomotives. Also, I just checked after I ended the live. I'm gonna turn face me if I don't know if they're not gonna let me. Huh? Also, they just told. I'll let you look at that railroad. Also, I just told there was another CSX train just went by, and it stopped, and it was stopped at the on this crossing, and that was the CSX M634 garbage train. I know it's too bad I didn't get it, but I got at least. Just going passing Wesleyville right now. Is there another train crossing before I end the live? No. I just wanna tell you before we end the video. There was a CSX garbage train just went by, and I'm gonna put the window up. Sorry about that. And then they stopped the train just a little bit ago. And also, and I did check the flour, the truck. When I said on the live stream earlier, there was a flour truck. We thought it was Roman to begin with. Instead, it was David. I thought it was Roman before this, but instead it was David. None of us didn't know. So, yeah. So, alright, that's gonna be it for this video, and we'll be back on at 8 o'clock on the Train Expert channel to close it up for this week here on the Train Expert channel. Talk to you guys later, and as always, thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert's live train video on YouTube, and we'll be back on at 8 o'clock to close it out for this week. But the only train you're gonna get today is the CSX I-169, and that train originates to Portneuf, New Jersey, heads east to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates. I just want to make sure. So. Alright, I'm going to end the video here, and we'll be back on if there's a B, and see if there's another train heading to passing Union City, or an OC&T goes by on the way home. If not, we'll be on at 8 o'clock. If not, we're going to be back on at 8 o'clock on the live stream to close it out for this week. Talk to you later.